Mr. Sonic, Mr. Tails, Mr. Knuckles. May the best team win. Oh, but please go easy on us. Then I'll give it everything I've got. Well, sure. That means a lot coming from you, Mr. Tails. Find the Chow and get to the goal. I'll help you with the rings, Mr. Sonic. Thanks, Sonic. Hey, is it me or did you get a new haircut? Hi, Mama. I'll keep doing my best. It's too early to be worrying about that, Mr. Vector. In the meantime, please get poor Mr. Robot some help, Mr. Omochao. Here, Mr.